You asked, how to divide 7055 by 8 using the long division method. 7 is too small. Use 70. 70 divided by 8 equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. 70 minus 64 equals 6. Bring down 5, making 65. 65 divided by 8 equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. 65 minus 64 equals 1. Bring down 5, making 15. 15 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 8 equals 8. 15 minus 8 equals 7. The remainder is 7. The final result is 881 remainder 7.